Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Like I said to you guys, I'm showing you how to save money. Okay guys, I gotta show you. Now, if you never seen a broken pipe before, and well I had one. There's a carpet downstairs. You see, I'm running on the carpet, guy. It was happening to me on the carpet. Water everywhere. Okay. When you have a broken pipe, guys, whenever you have a broken pipe, you'll take care of it right away. Right away. I'm showing you a quick fix, a quick way to do that. Okay? This is where the broken pipe was. Okay? This pipe, guys. This is the heat pipe. It's warm right now. That was the one that was broken. It was broken. So where exactly it was, I can show you where it is, guys. Let me go ahead and show you. Now this is the mess the thing left. Okay? So whenever you see the water, where it's coming out, you gotta look into it. It's very difficult to fix. Guys, this thing was underneath of this. Trying to show you a better picture. Okay, this is the pipe. This is where it was. Okay, this is where it was. So this is hot. This is heating system. Oi, this is very hot, guys. So trying to feel it. Now let me see if this thing is hot too. What this thing does, it clamps it. Okay, this is hot too. Made in China, guys. Made in China. So you gotta put pressure in there. You gotta set it up together. This thing's open in the back. Let me show you how the back look like. See how the back looks like, guys? That's the bottom of it. There's a rubber underneath of it. Can you see the rubber? There's rubber right there. That rubber is strong enough for that heat this thing gonna produce. So we gotta tighten it up very tight. Okay. This is a 1/4 inch. This is a 3/4. This pipe is 3/4. So how come it was broken? There was a nails underneath of it. There's a nails. I think it's this nails right there. That's a screwdriver. But this thing goes all the way through. All the way through, it hit this thing right there. And from the time they were building this, because the basement, from the time they were building this, they were making sheet racks in here. So the thing was there. From time to time, they never went inside of it. Okay? So what's happening now? I had to fix this. This thing was running for at least a week. It got bigger and bigger. So no one touched it. It just got bigger. So I locate this nail. So I had to cut it off. I had to cut it off because it's very hard to reach there. You see what it is, guys? Very hard to reach. Okay. So I bought this plate from. This is hot. I bought this from Home Depot. I'm gonna go online and show you how much those things cost. Someone else come here. We'll rip this apart because this is how it used to be. This is how it used to be. You see, this is nothing but water, guys. You see, water. That's water. But this, ooh. Well, it's gonna dry up. So I want to wait until all the water dry up, guys. You see, this is what's water. When you have a leak like that, it's difficult. It's difficult to get there. So yesterday, I had a professional come here. The professional come here, guys. It tells me that there's two ways you can fix it. You can put a temporary one, which should be fine, or you can cut the pipe all the way here and put plug this pipe here, and then seal something here where you don't. That's what he was saying to me. So in a way that he can actually remove the holes completely, which is not a bad idea. He's a professional, guys. I want him to do it. The guy told me $500. $500. Okay, he told me $500 to do it. Okay, I'm pressing the water out of there, man. This is all the water, guys. That's water. Okay, so I took the time to show you this video. Okay, now how I did it, I went and bought this pipe and I slip it underneath of it. I put the rubber on the hole on the water. It was very difficult, and I put it inside and start. It's very simple. You can see how this thing look like. Okay, I bought 3/4 inch and 1 inch. The reason I bought that, just in case I don't want to go back there twice. So I found out that this thing, the 3/4 was the right size. This is a 3/4 pipe. If you have a pipe in your house that's broken, you can fix it. Doesn't matter what kind of pipe you have, water. This thing will seal it. And I had to do it twice. So the rubber was not all the way in, and the hole is right in the corner there, guys. The hole is right like that. So the thing wasn't sealed properly. So I flip. You see how I put the rubber inside of it, guys? The rubber is right in the hole. That's what I did. And I tied it up pretty much. And this is done. Now let me show you where I bought this thing. I bought it on Home Depot, but I can show you somewhere on eBay. You see all this stuff on the floor, guys. They all water. Now tomorrow I'm gonna vacuum this. To remove the water, see the water there? You just gotta vacuum it, guys. I have a vacuum right there. And this thing gonna suck the water out of it. That's it. Guys, this is the water. I'll show you another video of how I suck the water out of this, guys, tomorrow. Okay, guys, I bought a tool like this. This is how it looks like. This is the name of it. Okay, that's 1 inch. So I didn't go back twice. I purchased 3/4 inch. Okay, that's the name of it. You see the name, guys? That's what I purchased. It's taking care of it. I just fight with it, twist it. And this tool has a rubber inside of it. And you got this guy here. Okay, it has one on both sides. I don't know if you can see the rubber. You see the rubber inside of it, guys? The black thing in there has a rubber. Okay, that's a rubber you gotta put inside of it. So on top of that little hole that you have, or the crack area, you place this thing in there, and then you seal it. It should be good for a while. Okay, it doesn't tell you how long this thing can last, but at least you gotta, at least if you have a big pipe that's broken, you can use it, guys. Now let me show you where I got this thing from. And I got this thing from Home Depot, so I didn't have time to wait for. Okay, let me show you Amazon. Okay, there's a different ways you can do this. Okay, my neighbor told me to get that. That costs so much money. Oh, by the way, this thing costs. Let me get the receipt for you guys. Okay, guys, this is the price of it. It's a 3/4. It costs $11.34. This one costs $12. $11.96. Okay, I bought something else to fix. So that's one price you can pay for it. Was it easy? No. It was very difficult to tie this thing up. I couldn't even do the video, guys. I gotta do it. I'm gonna give you some explanation there. Okay, this is the price. You can buy this one, $19. You can buy this one, $65. This thing comes with the rubber. This is better because the rubber stays infinite. You can do this one too. Okay, you can do the stick, but that would be complicated. That's what I was gonna do. You have the seal somewhere in the house. Okay, you can do that. You can really do that, but you will have some leaks on it. Okay, there's a bunch of different ways. It says pipe repair. Okay, there's a couple of videos on those.
I was gonna do this guy. I was gonna do this because I have something to put in underneath of it. Okay, so when I decide to do something easier, it's very easier. The thing I was gonna do this. Get something like that at Home Depot. Put a gummy thing inside of it and then zip it. This will last longer. This can handle the heat. Okay, so make it easier for you guys. Go in Home Depot, buy something like this. Okay, so this is the right name of it. Get the 3/4 inch. If your pipe is 3/4. So I got 2 of them because I didn't know the size of my pipe. So I'm gonna return this guy. Well, anyway, don't forget to subscribe. I'm helping you guys. Oh, by the way, you know how much this guy wanted to charge me? $500. Don't forget to subscribe. Help the channel, guys.